Hello.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Welcome back to my channel, to our channel.
Our channel, it's only yours.
I can share.
Yeah, you can share.
Okay, book. If you want
I
us.
was scratching my
Wait. Hi Ray.
And I'm not feeling well. Wait now.
Okay. Hi everyone.
Hi. Hello.
Amy will do the introduction for today's video.
Yeah, long, right?
Yeah.
So actually the thing is that we just she compiled a book with all the writers. So many are there actually.
30
So we
plus.
just got the book recently and we thought that we together will make a video and give introduction about this. Ta-da! So this book is about girls and boys both. You just can't think like it's only for the girls. It's never her fault. It's the name of the book. I mean, you will get in the link below. You will put it there.
Yeah, I will.
So it's about it's a compiled book actually. It's written with lots of writers. If you don't know what is compiled book about, and today we will just read some of the points from here. If you like it. First, we will read about. She will do it.
Who's
One you will read?
random writers?
Yeah, random, anyone. Just read it.
Okay.
Yeah, she's the owner. So
I want to
she can
pick a
read
shorter
anything.
one.
Read whatever you want. Whichever you like. One you said now you liked it.
Yeah, I liked so many. Okay, The Maniac. This writer is from Philippines.
Philippines. Oh God.
Yeah.
Not even from
Okay.
India.
That's so international.
There was a man that everyone knew about. He will get any woman he would like without a doubt. He would invite them over for a drink and would rape them in a blink. 5 victims in total he was. Who knows, there might be more from the past. He still walks freely up to this day. How can something like this just slip away? He tries to flirt with them, like chewing a sweet gum. He leaves them alone. Once he is done.
Rowan?
Rowan Bungay.
Wow. Nice, yeah.
I like the way she write. I mean, she followed those, what do you call? Rhythm?
Rhythm, yeah, rhythm.
And you'll find most of the writers use the blank bars. Unlike her. Alright, now Jimmy gonna pick one random writer. She'll do the introduction and followed by Amy. She will do her poem. Right.
Yeah.
Whom did you pick?
I got Shiksha Thakur.
Okay.
I juggle multiple roles of life in between them. I'm me and I write, learning something new every day, trying to be better. I have meticulous mind and effusive heart. To control both, I get drowned in caffeine. Completely in love with my life. A woman from nowhere, a woman who is nobody.
Yeah, nice.
Can you read the poem?
It's her poem one, okay? Dark was the sky when I saw the moon clear. It was the monster
Could you
who
be louder?
whisper in my ear. Oh baby, it won't hurt you. I will eat you bit by bit. You tease me by your flawless moves. I love you, my flower child. Let me take your breath. Darkness grew and screams too. When everyone was asleep, he kept snatching my smile and gave me a dark box to keep. That night I saw the closed walls. There was no open doors. The walls saw me shouting for them. They shouted I was only 4. The monster laughed at all the shouts and told me he will come back again. He told me I can't run. To save me there will be none. A day, monster came years after years. I killed him with my sword of anger. Since that I say I win my battle with my madness, that crazy dagger. It was over, but I had black box with me, which had my darkness and fear. Locked it in my heart and will destroy it when my death is near. Shiksha Thakur. Really, it's really nice. It's so good.
Yeah,
I loved
indeed,
it.
indeed.
Indeed. Indeed, yeah, she is awesome.
Anything
you
else?
You must read
Yeah.
it. It's really good.
You'll
Okay,
find more incredible writers.
Yeah,
and
there are
write-ups
more.
here.
Almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And the good news is the book is now
Almost
available
30,
on
like.
Amazon as well as on Flipkart.
More than 20.
Yeah, more than 20 writers.
More
are
than
there.
30.
30, oh
yeah,
God.
31, 30.
So more than 30 writers, and there are different ideologies. You will get to read it here, isn't it? Miss Kamala?
Yeah. I'm gonna read out all the writers' names who has contributed in this anthology. First we have Sudha Mishra, second Brinda Malnath, Sagnika Purkayastha, Siddhi Mehta, Sarita Pillai, Emanuela James, Somita Nandi, Varshini Suresh, Ronika Sahu, Jashita Devarma, Shiksha Thakur, Isha Meshram, Lenkami Malsom, Kausiki Chakma, Rashmi Devarma, Mohammed Khan, Lakshay, Vikas HV, Dhanashri Dande, Priya Kaiping, Sima Devarma, M. Shanmuga Priya. I'm sorry if I mispronounce your name. Suman Jyoti Burman, Alisha, Gayatri, Houston, Kiran Soni, Samyajit Nandi,
Wow, Kiran
Nandini
Soni.
Bhatt,
It's like that.
Rufina Idwin, Rowan Bunge, and Alisha Das. These are the 32 authors who has contributed their ideas on this topic. It's never her fault.
Compiled by her.
Okay, if you have the book and you want us to read any further articles or poems from this particular book, do let us
any
know.
other book.
Yeah, do let us know. I'll put the description in or some links, I guess, in the description. What did I say?
No, cut it.
The thing is that when you have stayed in a park, which I really do have, then snatch a cloth from your friend, nice one, put like this, done! Fashion! It's so done, right? I look good.
They were interested of buying this book.
Hi.
Yeah, and you guys never share my videos. You never support me.
She has so many supporters.
I have so many supporters. What are you saying?
Alright,
don't.
guys, calm down. It's hot.
It's alright. I don't expect.
Shut up.
Look, we said her.
Crop
Don't expect anything.
I don't
put
expect.
anything here.
I don't expect.
What she's talking, just see. Camera, just
Eh.
see her.